You get those. What you get is a lot of this
The dust on it?
dust in there, so I like to just give it a quick once over the room, and then maybe it's because it's cold out there. You just pack it in solid. Get that dust out of there like that, and then it could be because it's cold out, but still.
It looks like you're using a lot more adhesive
Than what he was.
than what he was.
It goes a long way in these cans, like all I used to. But what I usually do is do a dry fit to make sure they're going to line up. If I don't have to fire in it. There you go. See that? And just pack it right up in there. She's good to go. I'll take this baby up there.
All right, looks solid.
Alright, shut it down.